I recently finished renovating my kitchen and decided that a barn door was a great addition. I love how easy it is to slide open, making things very accessible. Not only do I love that though, but the newest member of our family also found that to be very advantageous for finding new treats inside of the pantry. So I quickly realized I needed a way to keep it locked. So because I'm lazy, the first thing I did was check online for any solutions that would fit my needs, but unfortunately there's nothing I could find that I was a huge fan of. So with a quick few measurements, I got the dimensions that I needed to design one for myself. I then opened Fusion 360 to start to create the design. I wanted to make this a 3D printable design that did not require any supports. So to do that, I made this live hinge, a print in place hinge that won't require any supports, and once it's printed, it can just break free. So if we go to the slicer view in my Bamboo Lab slicer, and we go down to the layer where the hinge is in the middle of the main base, we can take a look to make sure that that will print as we would hope it would, no support and able to break free. So we see that it looks pretty good and should be able to break free and act as a live hinge. The only thing left to do now is send it off to the 3D printer and test it out. So the part looks pretty good. Let's try to break away the hinge and see how it works. Rotates quite nicely. So let's put this on the barn door to see how it works. So we have it looking like it's a pretty good fit. And now for the moment of truth. And now the good fit means nothing because it doesn't work. So, realizing it needed a hook, I quickly jumped back into Fusion 360, added a hook on the end so that it will catch the part that is popping the hinge off, and we will reprint this and toss it back on the barn door and see how it works this time. And that's how I expected it to work the first time. Now that the hook's on there, it's holding up as I would expect. So, overall, I'm pretty happy with this barn door latch. It's very inconspicuous, goes with the rail system that I have quite nicely. It matches everything so you can barely even see it versus other ones I've seen online that drill into the wall and just look kind of clunky. So I will make this file available online. I'll put the link in the description below so that if anyone else has a barn door, you can make this for yourself if you or anyone you know have a 3D printer. In any case, that's all I have for you today. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please consider subscribing. It helps out the channel, and we'll see you next time.